Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, and to this our latest video for the SEAT Ibiza. This is the 1 litre TSi FR model. It's a 5-door 6-speed manual. The car was first registered the 8th of August 2018. Just one former keeper from new. The car is finished in Mediterranean blue. It's 115 brake horsepower Euro 6 petrol engine, so it's compliant with all of the ultra low emission zones. Having covered 37,500 miles, the comprehensive SEAT and SEAT specialist service history. Next oil service due in 10,400 miles. MOT valid through until 7th of August 2024 with no advisories. Great set of tyres. Fronts are on 5.5 and 6.5mm, and the rear tyres on 6.1 and 4mm of tread. Features some very nice factory options. It's got the upgraded 18-inch performance bi-colour alloy wheels, as well as front and rear parking sensors with a rear parking camera. As with the exterior of this Ibiza, likewise the interior is in very good condition for its age and its mileage. It features the black FR cloth interior with isofix location points across both outer rear seats. Satellite navigation, electric front windows, electric heated folding wing mirrors. Infotainment wise, it has AM FM as well as DAB radio, CD player. It's got twin USB entry ports, auxiliary port, 2 SD card entry ports, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, automatic wipers, voice control, separate driving modes, as well as front assist, and privacy glass make up what is a very high level of specification. This Ibiza is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. It will be supplied with both remote control keys, book packs present, as well as a full set of tailored carpet mats, inflator gel pack, as well as lock and wheel bolt. Obviously all paperwork is present for the car. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you will find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, interactive finance calculator, and an online reservation facility. Thank you for watching this video.